A trash compactor that suddenly stops working can leave you with overflowing waste and an appliance that won't perform its function. Welcome to PartsMelange. In this video, we'll show you how to troubleshoot the most common trash compactor problems and identify the components that may need attention. Before starting any inspection or repair, always unplug the unit and ensure it is safely positioned for access. Most key parts are located behind the front toe kick or lower access panel. Inside this lower compartment, you'll typically find the drive motor, drive gear, chain, directional switch, and wiring. The door switch is usually mounted near the door frame or latch area. Depending on your model, you may need to remove the front panel or slide the unit out of the cabinet to reach these components safely. A trash compactor works by coordinating these parts to compress waste efficiently. Over time, wear and tear, electrical faults, heavy loads, or lack of maintenance can lead to malfunctions. If the compactor won't start, first check the power supply, circuit breaker, and door switch to confirm the door is fully closed and latched. If the motor runs but the ram does not move, inspect the drive gear, chain, and mechanical assembly for damage or wear. If the ram gets stuck or fails to return, the directional switch or internal obstructions may be the cause. Unusual grinding noises often indicate worn gears or loose components that may need replacement. Regular cleaning, avoiding overloading, and timely part replacement can help extend the life of your compactor and ensure smooth performance. If worn or damaged components are found, replace them promptly with the correct parts to maintain optimal performance and help prevent costly repairs. For quality appliance replacement parts and expert support, find the link in the description or visit partsmelange.ca. Thanks for watching.